Tribhuvan University 2081 Bachelor Level 4 years program Humanities BA third year Reading and Writing across the discipline subject question paper compulsory English 403 full marks 70 time 3 hours. Group A long answer question attempt answer any 2 questions marks 2 into 15 equal to 30. Question number 1. In the neck phase Malcolm Gladwell explores the science of facial expression and the ways in which emotion can be read or misunderstood through facial cues. Using this article as a foundation, write an essay in which you synthesize at least 3 sources to examine how non-verbal communication influences trust, perception, and human interaction in your society. Consider the role of technology, culture, and psychology in shaping how we interpret or misinterpret others. Question number 2. How can a writer use techniques of summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting effectively to build a well-supported and original argument? Discuss strategies for balancing the use of these techniques, ensuring that each of the techniques is used appropriately to enhance the clarity and credibility of the paper. Question number 3. In The Egg and the Sperm, Emily Martin questions the idea of scientific objectivity by examining how cultural beliefs shape the way biological processes are described. Do you believe that a truly pure fact exists, or are all facts influenced to some degree by cultural assumption? How does Martin suggest scientists should approach the presentation of reproductive facts to avoid reinforcing gender stereotypes? Group B, medium length question. Answer any 4. Marks 4 into 10 equal to 40. Question number 4. Read the given article. The concept of the American dream is flawed and it is not Americans by Annie Jiang, and write is summary based on note making. Question number 5. Write a critique of the following text. Question number 6. How does Eric scholars create interest in audience in a commonplace topic like potato chips in Why McDonald's Freeze Tete So God? Explain scholars writing methods. Question number 7. Martin Luther King Jr.'s pilgrimage to non-violence reflects on the development of his commitment to non-violent resistance. What does this journey reveal about the ethical and philosophical principle behind his approach to social change? Question number 8. Examine how George Orwell in Politics and English Language critiques the relationship between language and political manipulation. BA फर्स्ट इयरदेखि प्रत्येकसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमको प्लेलिस्ट BA मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोल्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पले फाइनल इक्जामको प्रिपरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एम भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै जानुहोला।